everyone, this is Suchi, and in front of you I want to give a presentation on the topic of importance of time. So before I start my presentation, firstly I would like to say thanks to Pradeep sir who gave me this wonderful opportunity to speak on this topic. So importance of time. Of course, time plays a very important role in everyone's life. You can earn money, material things and many more things in your life, but you cannot earn time because time is a jewel. It once gone, never come back again in your life. So time plays a very significant role in everyone's life. It means that if you utilize your time in a better way, then only you can gain experience and learn life skills in your life. So here I want to discuss some points that why time is important to us. The first point is there, that is time is invaluable. It means that time is priceless. You cannot hold the time. You can save other things in your life, but you cannot save time. It is a going on process. It is a continuous process. You cannot hold time. You cannot stop the flow of time. That's why time is priceless. That's why time is invaluable. There is no value of time. There are so many things in our life, they have some value, but time has no value. Because time is priceless, time is invaluable. So that's why time is important. Second point is there, that is the punctuality. Punctuality is also a very important part of time. Whenever we talk about the punctual, it means that I am doing my work at the right time. The person who is punctual in his life, it means that that person always try to do all the things at the right time. And he always try to save his time. It means that that person is punctual. Just take an example of a student, like a student, and he is doing everything in his life on the right time. He is going to school at the right time. He is performing all the activities of the right time. It means that he never feel embarrassed in the front of the teachers and in the front of the parents. And he will get respect everywhere. Why? Because he is a punctual person. So that if you really have the value of time, then you will get respect. You will get safety of your time. Then only you will get the respect in front of the people if you have the value of time. And the third point is there, that is the time management. Time management means just manage your time according to your work. Suppose you have a lot of work and you really want to do in a very short period of time. So if you have the time management, if you have this mind and this mentality that I want to complete this work in this short period of time, you will definitely do that. Because you are determined that I do not want to waste my single second of my life. So you can do a lot of work in a short period of time. It means that you have the value of time because you know the value of time. So that's why time is important. And the last thing I want to say here, that is the future is uncertain. As we all know that our future is uncertain. We don't know what will happen in the next day. So just don't try to postpone your work for the next day. If you have time right now, just do your work right now. Because we don't know what will happen in the future, what will happen in the next day. Whatever work you have, so just try to do right now. Because if you are just trying to cling your time, then time will kill you in your future. And time will kill your future. So just clear this thing in your life, that I should not want to waste my single second in my life. Each and every year, each and every month, each and every minute, second, microsecond is very important. It means that each and every moment of our life is too important. If you really want to know the value of 1 year, then ask the person who failed in the examination. If you really want to know the value of 1 month, then ask the woman who has delivered the baby either 1 month earlier or 1 month later. If you really want to know the value of 1 hour, then ask the person who is waiting for someone else. If you really want to know the value of one day, then ask the casual labor who does not get work for a day. If you really want to know the value of 1 minute, then ask the person who missed his train by reaching 1 minute late at the railway station. If you really want to know the value of 1 second, then ask the person who saved his life from the accident by 1 minute delay. If you really want to know the value of 1 second, then ask that person. And if you really want to know the value of 1 microsecond, then ask the space scientist whose space mission is failed due to 1 microsecond error. It means that each and every moment of our life is very, very important. So just don't try to waste it. Just utilize your time in a better way. Then only you will get success in your life. So I hope you will understand the value of time. Thank you so much.